Greetings and a warm welcome to our EigenTx tutorial series. Today we will unravel the meanings behind the legends in our EigenTx token flowcharts. Let's use the example of removing liquidity from a Uniswap v3 pool to illustrate these concepts. Let's put this transaction's hash into the search bar first. You can find the hash in our booklet. It's in the just-in-time bot case. Hover your mouse over this part of the chart and you'll see a handy list of legends. In any token flowchart, the most prevalent roles you'll encounter are the from and to addresses. As for the shapes used, pentagons denote externally owned accounts, EOAs. Rectangles symbolize non-transferable tokens. At the same time, ellipses with a solid edge represent normal, real contracts. Additionally, nodes enclosed by dashed lines are known as virtual contracts. In our example today, you'll see an EOA here. These are the normal real contracts, while these rectangles encased by dashed lines are the virtual contracts generated by EigenTx. Let's delve a little into the different types of edges. An edge depicted as a simple arrow signifies a transfer. An edge shown as a dashed line with an arrow represents either minting or burning. In contrast, an edge without an arrow designates an address connection. In our example, step 13 implies that the to address transferred 0.0198 ETH to a builder, an EOA. Steps 4 and 10 exemplify mint and burn processes concerning the virtual contract owned 0 WBTC 350101. But there's even more to grasp. For your convenience, we group addresses in token flows, for instance, addresses within the same protocol. In our example, all the addresses within Uniswap v3 are clustered together within a larger rectangle. Furthermore, a leaf is a node not involved in any trading circle. A miner is the entity that mines the current transaction. However, after the merge on Ethereum, we call the miner builder. In addition, a small rectangle with a sequence number signifies the fund flow sequence identifier. You might also encounter liquidators and borrowers. As you've already experienced, the EigenTx tutorial series is crafted for individuals who are interested in DeFi transactions and aim to leverage EigenTx as a beneficial tool. Join us on this journey and download our comprehensive EigenTx booklet for various use cases. Remember, we are the wisdom for DeFi. Until our following tutorial, stay tuned.